what do we have here? Oh, say hi to both my dogs. But Luna has got something coming. Car parts, car parts, car parts. Hey, what's up guys? It is Bondi and today I'm back with another video. I ordered a new smoked third brake light and new side marker lights from CJ Pony Parts so that they match my tail lights. So today we're going to be installing those, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Guys, we could win a Ford F100. Not gonna do it though. And we have, I'm guessing this is the third brake light. Yes, it is. That actually looks really sick. So this is the third brake light. It still has the plastic wrap on it, and I'm not gonna take it off until I have the other one out because I don't want to scratch it. And then we have our rear side markers. I'm really excited about these, and it's just finally gonna get rid of all of the random red that I have on the car. These are no longer orange, clear lenses, and then I just kind of started to black everything out, so these will be like the last of the lights that I have to do besides buying new headlights. Let's start with the third brake light, I guess. Now we are using my dad's Jeep as a tripod, so first things first, we have to get this out, which it said it's held on by 2 clips, so I just have to pull, which is terrifying. So I grabbed a screwdriver for no reason because I ended up being able to get it out. But now I have a screwdriver in case I'm stupid again. We got it unclipped, and then the light is actually falling out, so that's cool. Then they said there's 4 clips, and then I had my dad come out and get the clips out because with my nails I couldn't, so now let's put the new one in. Ta-da! So that's what it looks like in, and then now we have to clip it. Okay, and then that's that, and then now I have to put the panel back on and then plug in the light, and then the brake light is done. And then now we're gonna put the panel back in. Get the light clipped, flip it back around. The trunk opener thingamabobber back in there. Ow! And I got it out. And then they said I have to get this out so we can put it into the new one. So then with the new ones, it's just like this little light bulb. It's not actually a bulb, it's just the LEDs, and then you just plug it into the socket like that, and then you pop it back in. And then now to put the bumper back on.
How many feet-pound was that?
One ugga-dugga. And now to do the other side, and I'll show you guys when it's all done. And now for the reveal. And that's how you install rear quarter panel lights and a third brake light on a 2006 Mustang GT Premium. This looks so much better now. It matches the tail lights. There's no more random little bits of red. This looks amazing. I am 100% happy with that install. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I have a bunch of new videos coming for you guys in the future. So subscribe, hit the little bell to be notified when I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Ah, there's a bug in my trunk. No! Get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. A bug just flew up under there. Why?